For millennia, the moon has captivated humanity. Its silvery glow has been a constant presence in our night sky, a silent witness to the passage of time and the evolution of civilizations. It has been a celestial beacon, guiding our ancestors and inspiring countless myths and legends. From ancient navigators who used its phases to chart their courses, to poets and dreamers who wove its image into their works, the moon has always held a special place in our collective imagination. Now, the moon is poised to play an entirely new role in human history, a resource frontier. This transformation from a symbol of wonder to a potential wellspring of resources marks a significant shift in our relationship with our nearest celestial neighbor. As Earth grapples with dwindling resources and the environmental consequences of their extraction, the search for sustainable alternatives becomes ever more urgent. Our planet's finite resources are being depleted at an alarming rate, leading to ecological degradation and climate change. The moon presents a tantalizing solution. Its untouched surface holds the promise of untapped potential, a new frontier where we might find the resources needed to sustain our technological and industrial growth. It holds the promise of abundant resources, including water ice, precious metals, and rare earth elements. These materials are not only valuable but essential for the advancement of technology and the development of sustainable energy solutions. These resources could fuel our future, enabling us to expand our technological capabilities and address pressing global challenges. The extraction and utilization of lunar resources could revolutionize industries, from manufacturing to energy production, and pave the way for new innovations. However, this new frontier also presents significant challenges and raises profound questions about our relationship with space and our responsibilities to future generations. The ethical implications of mining the moon are complex and multifaceted, requiring careful consideration and international cooperation. The allure of the moon is not merely about practical resources, it's about pushing the boundaries of human ingenuity and exploration. The quest to mine the moon represents a natural progression in our species' journey of discovery, a testament to our enduring spirit of curiosity and adventure. The quest to mine the moon represents a natural progression in our species' journey of discovery. It is a continuation of the legacy of exploration that began with the Apollo missions and continues with modern space endeavors. It's about venturing into the unknown, expanding our understanding of the universe, and unlocking new possibilities for our future. The data and insights gained from lunar exploration could have far-reaching implications, enhancing our knowledge of planetary science and the origins of our solar system. The moon is a stepping stone, a celestial proving ground that could pave the way for even more ambitious spacefaring endeavors. Establishing a sustainable presence on the moon could serve as a model for future missions to Mars and beyond, providing the experience and infrastructure needed for deep space exploration. It could serve as a base for further exploration of our solar system, providing valuable resources and experience for missions to Mars and beyond. The moon's proximity to Earth makes it an ideal location for testing new technologies and strategies for long-duration space travel. The decision to mine the moon is not one to be taken lightly. It requires a careful balance of ambition and responsibility, ensuring that our actions do not harm the lunar environment or disrupt its natural state. It carries with it enormous ethical and logistical challenges. The international community must come together to establish guidelines and regulations that govern lunar mining activities, ensuring that they are conducted in a sustainable and equitable manner. However, the potential rewards are equally significant. The successful extraction and utilization of lunar resources could lead to technological breakthroughs and economic growth, driving progress in ways we can only begin to imagine. The moon could hold the key to a more sustainable and prosperous future for humanity. By harnessing its resources, we could reduce our dependence on Earth's finite materials and create a more balanced and resilient global economy. As we stand on the cusp of this new era of lunar exploration, we must proceed with caution, foresight, and a deep respect for the celestial body we aim to utilize. The moon's potential is vast, but it is up to us to ensure that our pursuit of its resources is guided by wisdom and a commitment to the greater good. The race to the moon is on again, but this time, it's not just about national pride or scientific achievement, it's a multifaceted competition involving both nations and private enterprises, each with their own ambitions and strategies. The new space race is driven by the immense economic potential of lunar resources. The moon's surface is rich in valuable materials like helium-3, rare earth elements, and water ice, which could be used for fuel and life support in future space missions. Nations and private companies alike are vying for a piece of the lunar pie, eager to stake their claim in this new frontier. The moon is seen as a stepping stone for deeper space exploration, including missions to Mars and beyond. This new era of space exploration is characterized by a complex interplay of international collaborations, commercial ventures, and geopolitical maneuvering. The stakes are high, and the potential rewards are enormous. The United States, with its long history of space exploration, remains a major player in the lunar arena. NASA's legacy of lunar missions, starting with the Apollo program, has laid the groundwork for future endeavors. NASA's Artemis program aims to establish a sustainable presence on the moon, including the construction of a lunar base and the development of infrastructure for resource extraction. This ambitious initiative seeks to enable long-term human exploration and utilization of lunar resources. China, too, has set its sights on the moon, with ambitious plans for lunar exploration and resource utilization. The nation's space agency, CNSA, is rapidly advancing its capabilities and expanding its lunar ambitions. Its Chang'e program has already achieved significant milestones, including landing a rover on the far side of the moon. These achievements highlight China's growing prowess in space technology and exploration. Other nations, including Russia, Japan, India, and the European Space Agency, are also actively pursuing lunar exploration programs, recognizing the strategic and economic importance of this celestial body. Each of these countries brings unique strengths and perspectives to the table. Beyond national space agencies, private companies are playing an increasingly prominent role in the new space race. These companies are not just participants, but are often leading the charge with innovative approaches and cutting-edge technologies. Companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Astrobotic are developing innovative technologies and business models for lunar transportation, resource extraction, and even space tourism. Their efforts are reshaping the landscape of space exploration and opening up new possibilities. These private ventures are injecting new energy and capital into the space industry, accelerating the pace of technological development and driving down the cost of space exploration. Their contributions are vital for the sustainable development of lunar activities. This new space race, while fueled by economic and strategic interests, also presents opportunities for international cooperation. Collaborative efforts can help mitigate risks, share costs, and pool expertise. The challenges of lunar exploration and resource utilization are significant, and no single nation or company can tackle them alone. Issues such as space debris, lunar dust, and the harsh lunar environment require collective problem-solving. Collaborative efforts, such as the International Space Station, demonstrate the power of international partnerships in advancing space exploration. These partnerships can serve as models for future lunar and deep space missions. As we venture further into the cosmos, such collaborations will be essential for ensuring the peaceful and sustainable development of space. The moon is just the beginning, a proving ground for humanity's future among the stars.